Good morning, students. I, Tanuja Kiran from Usha Martin World School, welcome you all in our class 11th Physical Education. Hope you all are safe at home. Now, students, today we are going to discuss about physical education and sports for children with special needs, Divyang. Today, we are going to discuss about Special Olympic Bharat. Let's start, students. Special Olympic Bharat is an officially recognized program of Special Olympics International which was started by Eunice Kennedy Shriver, sister of John F. Kennedy, the former president of USA. In fact, she believed that with equal opportunities and experiences as anyone else, people with intellectual disabilities could compete for more than ever thought possible. She was convinced that children with intellectual disabilities could be exceptional athletes or sportspersons, and that through sports they can realize their potential and growth and development. Students, Special Olympic Bharat is a movement that uses sports as a catalytic to change the lives of children and adults with intellectual disability or mentally challenged person. It was founded in 1987 as Special Olympics India and changed to Special Olympic Bharat in 2001. It is recognized by the Government of India as a national sports federation for the development of sports opportunities for the people with intellectual disabilities. The Special Olympic Bharat program has so far drawn a number of coaches to work with 8,50,875 athletes across the country. Now its mission. Mission is to provide sports training and organize sports competition throughout the year for children and adults with intellectual disabilities, giving them persistent opportunity to develop physical fitness, demonstrate courage, experience joy, and to participate in sharing of gifts, skills, and friendship with their families, other Special Olympics athletes, and the community. Now, students, its vision. It is a movement which improves the lives of people with intellectual disability and in true the lives of everyone they touch through sports training and sports competitions. It empowers people with intellectual disability to realize their full potential and develop their skills through intense sports training and competition. Consequently, the athlete sports persons with intellectual disabilities become fulfilled and productive members of their families and the community in which they live. In fact, it is an experience that is energizing, healthy, skillful, and joyful. It comprises passionate, determined, as well as committed person for every walk of life who really know the value and unique gifts of people with intellectual disabilities. They share common belief in dignity, equality, and opportunity for all peoples. Now, students, oath of Special Olympic Bharat. Let me win, but if I can't win, let me be brave in the attempt. Now, students, its goal. Its goal is to provide chance to differently able people to develop physical fitness and focus on their holistic development. Its achievements. Special Olympic Bharat has been organizing national games in various disciplines since 2002. It has organized various tournaments and championships such as National Games, National Floor Hockey Championship, National Football and Tennis Championship, National Volleyball and Basketball Championship, and National Badminton Championship. A total of 885 athletes have participated in the 8th World Summer Games and 5 World Winter Games between 1987 and 2015. Its athletes have won 359 gold, 353 silver, and 423 bronze medals in these games. Approximately 383 Indian athletes have participated in Special Olympic Regional Asia Pacific Games. Competitions are organized at local, district, state, national, and international levels. Its benefits: it improves physical fitness and motor skills, instills greater self confidence and a more positive self image, forgives friendship, and ensures increased family support. It helps in building leadership, promoting health of athletes, and building communities. In fact, it helps in strengthening athlete mentally, physically, socially, and emotionally. Now, thank you, students.